Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Manny, How You Doin', and FABURNAILS Fun 22. I started off with Danny Digits Glitter Be Gone. It's now Baby Girl Lacquer. And here is How You Doin' by Moonshine Manny. Oh, this is so yummy. I'm almost speechless. It's gorgeous. It's pretty. It's jelly. It's flakies. It's gorgeous. I'm stunned with this one. So pretty out in the sun too. So there we go with our first coat. Very easy. Hi Woody, how you doing? Very smooth application. Got some Woody going on up in here. Taking care of Mama's messy business. And this is our second coat. I am probably going to do a third. Sometimes jellies just need that. Sometimes you can get away with two. And, you know, it's really all up to your preference. But I am going to go in for that third coat of How You Doin'. I was so excited to get this on my nails. All those colors are just banging out of that jelly polish. I love it. Just so much in love. I'm going to top it with Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. That way I can wear it for one day before I do my playing. I do like to do this from time to time when I can get away with it. Look, you put that glossy top coat on it and it's just encapsulated goodness right there. It's so fun to wear polishes that look like this. That grab even your attention. Love it. Alright, so here's a photo of it on its own. And now I've got the FABURNAILS Fun 22 plate. And I'm just going to use a couple images off here. I got Super Chick Lacquer Wonderwall. It's not a stamping polish, but that's what I'm using it for today. Got my Conad stamper and my Beauty Scraper out. Super Chick Lacquer's hollows are really amazing for stamping. I've never been disappointed with them. They work so well. Look, I mean, just perfect. I am cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller. And I'll be cleaning this plate off with pure acetone. So I'm putting this image on all of my nails except for my ring finger. And we'll be putting a different image on the ring finger today. I just could not get over how gorgeous that stamping looked over the polish. I got that peekaboo. Oh, I love it. So this is going to be my ring finger design right here. A little bit different. Almost like gold poinsettia leaves or something. So here we go back to the original image for my pinky nail. Just having such a good time with this one. I am going to go in with a piece of tape and get up the excess. It's coming up really well. Very nice, very easy. I love easy cleanup like this. Makes my day, makes me happy. But you guys know I'm still going to go with that cleanup brush. Do a little bit of cleaning up around the edges. And then I'm going to top it with the Super Chick Marvel Liquid Macro Top Coat. Gosh, this top coat's nice. It's super glossy. It doesn't shrink. It's just an amazing top coat. I always save it for when I'm playing with Super Chick polishes. I just need to go on and break down and get me the big refill bottle. So here is that Manny in motion. Got a little bit of bling bling. And here is my still swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.